Looks like the FDA is ready to greenlight Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine. Here's what Health and Human Services Secretary Alex Azar said this morning on GMA.
We should be seeing the authorization of this first vaccine, and we'll, as you just said, we will work with Pfizer to get that shipped out, and so we could be seeing people getting vaccinated Monday, Tuesday of next week.
The vaccine can't come soon enough, especially since it's been a really dark week with a record-breaking surge in cases and deaths across America. And get this, the U.S. Marshal Service revealed yesterday that they will be protecting the vaccine as it's distributed across the country. Erica, are we allowed to smile about this? I feel like finally at least some kind of light in the darkness.
Yeah, we need a light, Tori. So yes, I think that as we get good news, we should celebrate that there is good news. Obviously, there aren't enough vaccines for everyone in the initial go. So the fact that 55% of people say that they would actually want to get the vaccine is good news, because that means that not everyone's going to be rushing to get it. So I think the fact that it's rolling out and it's rolling out now is, I mean, we needed a light. And this is the light.
I 1,000,000% agree. Jeff, you have something you want to share?
No, listen, this is an absolute light. I'm happy for this, and I'm not knocking it at all. But I do want to bring up something that a lot of people aren't talking about. I didn't know if I wanted to go here, but Erica gave me a great jumping point off of this. We were talking about it yesterday. The American government, I kind of took a shot at people yesterday, like obesity that kills 300,000 people, smoking kills 500,000 people a year. Still more numbers than our COVID numbers right now. But our government doesn't seem to do anything like shut down the economy or anything close to that for this. My point that I'm making is, how much does our government really care about us as individuals, right? They had an opportunity to buy 300 million of these from Pfizer at zero cost to them before it was produced, right? They bought 100 million. Pfizer offered them another 200 million. This, I'm going to tell you right now, I'm not just making it up. It's an article in the New York Times. You could look it up. It's also on many podcasts. They had an opportunity to buy 200,000 more from Pfizer. They went to the government, and the government said, no, thank you. We're going to stick with our original deal. Pfizer turned around and sold 200 million to the UK. That's why they have 200 million vaccines, and we don't. Because of that, now the government went back to Pfizer and said, you know, we want another 100 million. And they go, we don't have any more. You're going to have to wait another couple months. Oh. So now we're delayed. I know they were in talks with other people, Moderna, J&J, different things like that. I'm not knocking them. But I would like an answer from the government of why they chose to handle it this way with a pandemic that they care so much about, that they shut down the country, that they wouldn't jump on the opportunity to take these vaccines. Sorry I went there on a Friday. I had to.
Ridiculously proud of you.
No, I'm glad you did, Jeff.
Yeah, ridiculously proud of you for saying that. I was wondering if we were going to get to that. The mistake over the vaccinations, I think we will have a grand jury, or at least Congress will end up looking into it, because it is a massive mistake.
How many people will die while they're looking into it?
Amen. I hear you.
We're ruining the light.
Sorry, this is good news. I didn't mean to do that.
But Jeff, you're right. This is frustrating.
It's DBL. We get both, right? That's what we do here.
It's a takeover.
DBL is exactly
what we say it is. We are honest.
We'll always tell you what we really think.
What we really think.
This is absolutely laughable.
Are you serious?
We're not just reading the stories.
We're sharing our opinions
and having real conversations.
Because that is insane to me.
People are going to be upset. I can completely understand that.
Tell us your DBL take.
We want to know what you think.
You may agree with us, you may not, but that's the point.
It's a takeover. I mean, run this city.